Mic check, mic. Welcome to Club at 9. My name is Ola Harry, and today we are discussing different market conditions. Yeah. So, don't forget we have 3 different classes in Club with Club at 9, and we also come on live every day from Monday to Saturday. So we pick just 2 days out of 6 days. Okay, 2 days, right? To come on YouTube. That should be Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're always on YouTube. And then other days, we spend other days on Telegram. Okay, Telegram Live. So you can join us whenever you are free. Okay. So now we have 3 different classes: beginners class, advanced class, and master class. Those are the classes that are there to ensure that any of them that you want to join, yeah, you can join for you to alleviate your ideas, your edge in trading. Yeah, if you're new, definitely you want to join beginners class. If you've been trading before and you're hoping to become a better trader, then the advanced class is very, very cool and it's free for everybody. Then the master class, if you want signals, you want me to trade with you, you want us to trade together, you also want to trade what I trade, right? And how I go about my trading, then master class is a place to be. We also do live classes for master class. That's on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So we're always there regularly. Okay? So if you're interested, just message me, then I will make sure you join us as fast as possible. Okay, guys, so this segment is brought to you by Bybit. Bybit is the official sponsor of this particular YouTube page, and we always ensure that you trade with BTC regularly. You trade with Bybit regularly. You can trade BTC, you can trade different coins, and Bybit is also very, very reliable. They have very, very affordable transaction fees to ensure that you are consistent in your trades. So guys, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get quality content that will improve your account regularly. That is very, very vital. Okay, so today I'm going to show us different market structure, different ways you can trade different market movement, because you see, market will not always present itself. Even if you have a strategy, the market will not always present itself. It will present itself different ways, and it is your own responsibility to ensure that you understand whichever way the market presents itself. Yes, it is your responsibility to know that markets can come in different dimensions, and you have to understand how the market presents itself and be able to trade that condition. And if you can't trade that particular condition, you can wait for your setup. Understand? But if you are a day trader, then you have to understand this. You don't have a choice. Yes, you don't have a choice, because if you understand this, it will help you take daily trades. It will help you ensure that you are always moving with the market. You can easily grow your account within a very short period of time. But if that is not the case, then it will take you longer time to learn, because you can only trade when your setup is right, because you don't want to lose money. You get what I mean? So if you want to be a day trader, that you want to use these regular time frames, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours, I can assure you this is what you need. And it's a no-brainer. I can tell you, it's a no-brainer. So guys, don't forget, as you're joining us, drop your location. Let's know where you're joining me from. Let me know where you're joining me from. I'll really be glad to know. And if you can hear me clearly, if you can hear me loudly, just drop your hi, so I will know that yes, I'm audible. So thank you very much. So I will, if you can also see my screen, I would like you to drop hi. Drop your location. Let me know where you're joining from. I'll be glad to know this video. As you've heard what I said, this topic is very, very vital, and is very crucial. If you are a day trader, particularly if you're a day trader, if you understand what I'm about to teach, then I can assure you that you're going to be doing fine in trading. At least out of 10 trades, depends on you. But as for me, I always target around 10 trades every week. Sometimes it's more than, sometimes it's less than. But on the average, 10 trades every week, 10 trades weekly. It has really worked for me fine, and know what works for you. We've said this in our trading psychology. Know what works for you, and go by it. If you're still new, or you're an advanced trader, and you're still hoping for success, what I want to advise you is consistency is very, very paramount when it comes to playing this game. You have to be consistent. You have to ensure that you do this thing over and over and over, so that you get the best of the best results. That is how it works. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, the more you engage, the better the chances, right? But at the beginning, at the starting, it might be very, very difficult or very challenging. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. You are still on the right path. You can path. But in this dispensation, don't overexpose your account so that you don't get bothered, and you don't have an issue where you don't even know how to expose your account. At the end of the day, you're losing your account. Yeah, you don't want to be in that position. What you need is the understanding of the market. If that is on point, then I can assure you that at that level, you can start to expose your account. Okay, you can start to expose your yourself to the markets based on your understanding. Okay, but at the beginning, you have to really reduce your margin. So let's go into our charts. So this is my own Bybit account. This is my Bybit account. I've been growing the account at least since I've announced that, okay, I want to grow this account to at least 2,000. Conservative, not radical. Okay, conservative. Other account that I trade on radical. In terms of trading, I trade them radically. I put a lot of big margins and the likes. But this is conservative trading. I'm meant to go down gradually. Okay, yeah, I'm meant to use moderate margins to make good profit. 45%, 100%, other than 200%. It all depends on the market movement. Now, what I'm about to teach you guys today is very, very vital. You really love it, because if you're a day trader and you have a particular setup, if you observe, that setup doesn't happen regularly. That setup happens, depends, maybe 3 times in a week, twice a week, once a week, 5 times a week. It all depends on, the kind of setup you are looking for. But if you want to ensure that you want to be very, very consistent with the trading, I can assure you that if you understand the market like this, man, you are on point. Okay, you are on point. So guys, thank you very much. Keep dropping your location. Keep dropping your location. Don't forget to smash the like button, please. Smash the like button as you're coming in. So we have Theophilus. You're welcome. How you doing? We also have Jeremiah, Jerry from Benin City. We have Amaya Joel from Castina. You're welcome. Keep dropping your location. Keep dropping your location. As you're dropping your location, I'll keep introducing you guys. I'll keep ensure that I introduce you guys to the platform. You're welcome, guys. So we also have SA Crypto Financier from Kenya. You're welcome. Thanks for joining us. I'm really happy you're here. Okay, so let's dive into our trading view. Yeah, we have Eze Uchenna from Lagos. We have Patience Ajoke from Eboyne, you're welcome. Thank you very much for joining us. We have JF Kennedy from the UK. Oyinyechi Uche from Lagos. Thank you for joining me. I'm really, really happy to see you guys. We also have Marion. Wow, how are you doing? From PH, that's Port Harcourt. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. Okay, so let's do this. I will keep the introduction on. Keep dropping your location. Keep dropping your location. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep dropping your location. Don't forget, every Tuesdays and Thursdays we are always here on YouTube. Then other days, apart from Sunday, we are on Telegram. Okay, so that's how it works for us. That's how it works for us. Then we have Wales from Kwara State, Crown Wales from Kwara State. We also have Amino from Adamawa. You're welcome, Amino. How you doing? Hope you're good. Okay, so if you can spot my screen, then we are on the same page. Don't forget to click on the like button, guys. Click on the like button. Click on the like button. Okay, so on my screen, I have this. I'll keep giving you guys different sculptures. Now, on YouTube, they will tell you we have uptrend, downtrend, sideways. Yes, those are the standard. Yes, standard. But in between those up, downtrend, sideways trend, you must be able to do some things. Just identifying the trend is not enough, guys. We have Yaya Jacob from Abuja. How are you doing, Yaya? Uptrend, downtrend, sideways market is not enough. Okay? To present the markets, to trade the markets is not enough. There are different movements you need to understand. I can assure you those movements will help you to identify losses. Will also help you to identify profits. Yes, in short, when you are trading, you already know that this trade, there is the chances, okay, is either high or very low. You already know that. Okay, you already know the chances when you're taking trades, and you know that some trades, you know that this trade is a sure trade, even if it happens to end up to become loss. Yes, which is very normal. It doesn't matter, but you know that this trade, this setup is a win setup. Okay, yes. So first and foremost, let's come to let's use BTC as an example. So currently, what I have on my screen is a structure. Okay, so from here you can see we have a downtrend. Let me bring out my pencil. Okay, now from here, this is a downtrend. You can see it pushes down. So because the Fed increased the interest rates yesterday, you can see the dump that happens, and I can see that the market is already recovering from that dump. So, you know, my crypto markets is very, very cool, and it's gaining a lot of trust. Yeah, it's gaining a lot of trust. So looking at this is my 15 minutes time frame. Okay, there was a downtrend. Now after this downtrend, if you did not catch the trade from here, forget about it. Don't force the market. You need to catch the trade from either here or from this breakout. If you don't catch it from this breakout, don't stress. Okay, let it go, let it slide. Okay, then prepare yourself. Okay, now most of the times, if you're a day trader, you want to check the higher time frame, you can make better decisions. So here, this is 15 minutes time frame. Let's come to the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, it helps us to identify the structure. Now, the 4 hours time frame tells us this is an uptrend. Can you see that? But on the lower time frame, it's telling us that there's a short downtrend there that is trying to recover. Now look at this. So we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, uptrend, then downtrend. Now if you look at this, you observe that this place was already forming a double top. Okay, so because of the Fed rates went down yesterday, we were in between up or down. So anywhere you find yourself, right? Actually, yesterday night, before they announced the Fed rates, I was already trading uptrend. Yes, I was already trading. I was on a buy position. So the buy position, I almost got caught, but the volatility was very, very high. It took me down, then it brought me back up. So because of that volatility, when I was in profit, I just exit. Yeah, my check. I am back. I think the network pushed me out. My check. If you can hear me, please drop your high. Drop your high. You can hear me clearly. Drop your high. I want to know that yes, I'm audible. My check. My check. You can hear me clearly. So you can also refresh. Refresh. Yeah, thank you very much. Amaya Joe, thank you. Okay, so you can hear me now. Yes. So looking at this is the BTC market I was explaining initially before the network took me out. Now, as it is, you can see somewhere here we're already having like a double top. Okay, then the market now close above. You can see that close above. Let me show you here. Close above this, and I traded it. Okay, I traded it. So if not for the fact that maybe because of the exchange rate that was reduced or that was increased, then this will have been, I'm very sure BTC by now will be at $30,000. Yes, BTC will have been at 30,000. I'm very, very sure about that. Okay, but immediately I saw the volatility, I have to just move out of the markets. Okay, now look at the structure. Okay, uptrend, reversal, or maybe sideways. Okay, then reversal to the downside. What you need to understand, if you don't, from the higher time frame, okay, is still an uptrend. Just note that. Okay, so I'll be waiting for breakouts. Okay, breakouts will tell me that yes, we are now at a reversal. Okay, we are now at a reversal. So I'll put another one here. So sometimes when I'm trading, I put my horizontal line at the end of at the closure of a candle. Then my last result will be at the week. After that, I will close the trade if it's going against me. Okay, so here you can see we're waiting for breakouts. Now already it's notes on the higher time frame, it's uptrend. It's not down. The downtrend has not confirmed until it closes above this line. Then we are now at the downtrend. Can you see that? Up, down. Can you see? Can you see it? See, if you understand this, you can make a lot of money. You can turn $100 to $1,000, any amount you want to turn it to. Okay, you said the screen is blurry. Maybe it's the network. Okay, you can turn any amount. Yeah, if you can understand this, and it's very, very vital. So now if you now want to trade, go and check the lower time frame. The lower time frame is on a downtrend, right? So let's go on the lower time frame. And this is This is, yeah, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, the screen is not clear. Okay, let's see. Let me try. Let me change the network. Network has been a big issue here. Yeah, I think the screen should be very clear now. My screen should be clear right now. Help me confirm. Confirm my screen is clear. Confirm. Yeah, I think my screen is clear now, right? Beautiful. Thank you. Yeah, okay, beautiful. So I have to keep switching the network here and there and the likes, it is what it is. I've been trying to get a better network. This has been a big problem. Hopefully we'll keep trying, but we won't stop working. Yeah, so now you can see that after this downtrend, okay, the market actually recovers in stages. Now when the market actually dropped to this tip. Can you see this tip, this place? Okay, now the second tip will be, it's moving stage by stage. In the lower time frame you will see it. This is another stage. Okay, this is stage 1. This is stage 2. This is stage, so this should be stage 3. Let's check. Yes, that's stage 3. Yeah, you can see that, and at every stage the market is reacting. What I mean by reacting is that it's climbing. It's breaking those barriers to the upside. That tells you what, on the lower time frame, that downtrend that you saw is already what, recovering. It means that more people are now bringing fund into the market. They are buying. Those who miss the opportunity of this pump, they are now buying. Something like that. Okay, when there's a pump, some investors, they will wait for pullback. So if you check the higher time frame, you will see that this is a pullback. So that's the best time for them to buy. Okay, yeah. So you can see it's moving up and up. Then the last stage, where's the last stage? I think this, let me check 1 hour time frame so that it can be much more clearer. In the 1 hour time frame, let's see, network is not very strong. This is the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Okay, so you can see that we are able to identify those stages. Yes. Now we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Then we are waiting for pullback around here to go to the. Now, if we have to take this trade, where will be our take profit? Somewhere. Take profit. So here, up here will be our entry. This will be our stop loss. Then here will be our take profit. Can you see that? This is how it works. So since we already break this level, okay, from down to the upside, it has already climbed here. Now we're waiting for a pullback, but now the market is looking very strong. Can you see? So if I have to trade this signal, I will dollar cost average. If I want to invest $100 margin, okay, here I will enter with $20. 20. Okay, so as it pulls back, I will enter another $20. As it pulls back, enter another $20. Then when I get here, I'll keep adding another $20. Okay, so now I will hold on after adding maybe like $60 or less or more, depending. I will wait. Here I need a rejection, a very strong rejection for the market. Yeah, for me to add the entire. Okay, so immediately I get to this place, I will add the whole money, something like maybe hammer, depends. Then I know that yes, the pullback is working and I'm going all the way to the top. Now, that is plan A. Okay, or let me say that should be plan B. Okay, that's plan B. Now, plan A is that for you to enter this trade, it can just move all the way to take profit. You know that? Yes, it can just move from here all the way to take profit. That simply means that your first amount, $20 that you added, that is the profit you will make. So that means you're doing opportunity to add more money. So you now come here. That means that how many profit do we make? We made about let's say from here about 0.8. Now depends on your leverage. Depending on your leverage, that will not determine your profit. That definitely is not much profit, right? What would have been preferable is for a pullback, then uptrend. That have been double money for you. But it's about plan A and plan B. So for this trade, if you have to take this trade, you have two plans, right? Now, the reason why our take profit is here is because you see on a general note or on the higher time frame, it's still a downtrend. Okay, so you can't speculate all the way here as profit. No, it's not advisable. You can't speculate all the way here as profit. You have to leave that small gap. Okay, so here is a reasonable take profit for you. That is a very, very reasonable take profit. Now, after that, after you've taken your profit, you can now continue to observe. You can only continue to trade if you have plan. If you have plan to continue the trade, don't just jump into this trade, because if you don't plan properly, the one we just did now, we've planned properly. We have good entry. Okay? If you've not planned for this, don't go for it. It's very simple. Okay? And don't take any any trade for granted. Yes, I can assure you, don't take any of trade for granted. Most of us, we just believe that, oh, I'm winning my trades, oh, I'm good, oh, I'm okay. You can just enter any trade anyhow. Man, I can assure you that will hurt you. Okay? Plan any trade, no matter how small, even if you are entering small margin. Plan the trade. Have reason for taking this trade. Have every reason for taking the trade. Don't just take trade in isolation. Make sure that you have a reason to place a trade, and I can assure you that will really improve your trading skill. Okay, so for us to enter this trade, we need to wait for pullback or place your entry and do dollar cost average. Okay, that's how it works. Now, since we already predicted that BTC is on a short uptrend, we can take advantage of other coins. Okay, of other coins, to trade with other coins. Guys, don't forget, as you're joining me, smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be so happy, so that whenever I'm live, whenever I drop any new video, you will be notified. Okay, yeah, that's the reason why you have to subscribe and smash the like button. So looking at my screen, and guys, don't forget, if you're new, drop your location, so that I can tell you where you're joining from. Now, we can take advantage of this short uptrend to trade BTC. So let's check. You can go for Ethereum. Depends. So most times, Ethereum and BTC, they always have almost the same movements. Okay, so looking at this on a short trend, we have this bottom. So this actually emanated from Tokyo session, right? So this is the neckline. So immediately this moved above, this should apparently be your entry. Immediately it closed above, that should be your entry. Okay, so always ensure that you have good entry. Now if you did not enter here, then this is another pullback, this is another opportunity to enter the trade again. Can you see that? Then up all the way. Now as we speak, where is another good place to enter? Looking at this, looking at the whole structure, I think this is still, now with BTC analysis, then this place is still an entry. It's still good for an entry. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Let's check what is presenting to us on the 1 hour time frame, so we can be sure. Can you see that? Can you see that? So that will be uptrend, pullback, uptrend. Can you see? Yes, it still makes a lot of sense, right? Yes, it makes a lot of sense. Okay, so this is a very good entry. This actually missed this what was it called? Ethereum dump yesterday. Yeah, I actually sent signal on Ethereum in the masterclass to go long, and we hit the market, it hit our take profit, you know, and I've been waiting for this breakout. Okay, but anyway, it is what it is. Now let's check other coins. So guys, we are now at the segment of drop your coin. So guys, drop your coins. Let's do analysis on them. So when you drop your coins, if I do your analysis, you can just take a screen grab. Take a screen grab. You know, use that to follow up on that particular trade. Okay, I believe that that will be a big profit for you. Now on the higher time frame for Ethereum already break the trend, but we have to use BTC. Okay, we have to use BTC because, you know, the BTC can be very funny. Yeah, it can be very funny. The only time I want to go short on BTC is when it breaks out this place. When there's a breakout from here, can you see that? Yes, that's when I want to go short on BTC, and I can assure you that that's the best thing to do. Okay, this is more or less like a short breakout. Can you see? But this trade has already gone, but it's well presented with Ethereum. Yeah, well presented on Ethereum. Can you see? Okay, so now we're going to change it from there to here. Can you see that? So we are waiting for another breakout. Now for us to conclude that it is a total drawdown, then Ethereum has to close below this guy here. Yes, if Ethereum close below, then it's going to be a downtrend. Then following this, so after closing below, okay, it will now be downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay, so this will be our entry. That's on going low. Okay, on going low. So that's it. Now since BTC has a very short uptrend, let's see how we can use it to make some money with other coins. So somebody drop HOT. So let's check HOT. Let's check HOT. Okay, let's check HOT. Let's check HOT. Yeah, beautiful. So on the higher time frame, okay, so we have this from here. Okay, then if it breaks out here, okay, if you pull back, right, if it breaks out of this place, then that's a downtrend, and it will tally with the trend line. So let's take advantage of the small trend. Even this coin has been pumping, so let me show you another beautiful way to trade it. Yeah, now if this hot breaks, if it breaks this line that I drew at 0.001847, if it breaks this line, then you have to continue to buy. Okay, so let's go to 1 hour. Let's see what it's presenting to us. Yeah, can you see that? It needs to break this trend line before you can go long. Yeah, I don't know if you are currently trading it, but I can assure you that if you want to go long, you need something like this. Let me show you. Uptrend, pull back. Okay, then this will be a very good entry. Yeah, so because of fake breakouts, that's why we always wait for pullback. In short, I've been caught severally. Yeah, being patient. Okay, for me to wait so much. So I always ensure that I wait. If it just break out small, you just jump into it. Immediately jump into it. You just come back like this. Okay, so we only want to uptrend, pull back. Okay, then you will see a very good entry around that area. So that's it. So you trade it. So number one, wait for uptrend, pullback to go long. And number two, I don't advise you trade consolidation, up, down, you understand? It's better you come and wait for pullback or breakouts. I can assure you that breakout from this trend line will give you more money than depending on this. This can mess you up. Okay, it can get here, go back up, and it just mess with your brain. But here, if anything happened, you know how to rescue yourself. But here, you won't know how to rescue yourself. That's why. That's the disadvantage. Okay, you can take a screenshot. You already know what to do. Then the next coin will be GAL, GAL. GAL. Someone just dropped HNT. Binance is going to deslist HNT. Why are you still trading it? Binance want to deslist it. Even some other exchange are planning to deslist HNT. So GAL. Let's check the higher time frame. Let's see what do we have. Okay, so we have breakouts from here. Yes, I love trade like this. Okay, so after this breakout, let's put it here. It's still the same actually. Okay, so it has already broken out from here. Okay, so after that breakout, we have a pullback. Can you see that? So now, as we speak, we have this. Okay, I'll rather go short on this. So I'll allow you to get here, back. Okay, let it get to 1.8635. That is a very good place to short. Let's see. Now, if for you to go long, it has to break this red line, pull back, then uptrend. Okay, yeah, 1.86. If it breaks 1.86, I can assure you of a very good profit. And back. Okay, it's a very good place to bounce back. Let's check the lower time frame. Let's confirm. Yeah, as I said, a very good place to bounce back. Okay, you can do this from here. Yes. So I think this is also very reliable based on this analysis. 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes time frame, what do we have? Let's see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's been bouncing on higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, like that. Yeah. So you can also trade this breakout. You can see it's been climbing. So from here, okay, yes, it breaks this to the upside. There was a pullback. Then there's another entry here. Can you see? There's another entry. Okay, this is also a very good entry. That's if you have to go long. Okay, you have to go long from here all the way here. Yes, but this yeah, but you have to watch out for this place. Okay, you really have to watch out. So if you're supposed to have, if you've been watching this coin before now, supposed to have been trading this coin by now, somewhere here. Okay, so this is a very good place to short the coin. So for this coin to get to 1.8635, BTC has to pump a bit so that it can achieve its own dream. Then from here, you can go short. But if it's close above and pull back like this, then you cannot go long. You can continue to go long. So that's for GAL. So you can take your screenshot. And the next coin we have on our list will be CFX. Check the higher time frame. Let's clear this. Okay, so I can see from here. Yeah, good breakout and retest. Then let's see. Okay, so here is presenting to us head and shoulder. Yes, very good. Can you see that? Head and shoulder. Pull back. This is shoulder 1. This is the head, down, shoulder 2. Okay, and this is the neckline. So let's see. Yeah, this trade is not bad. It's looking good. It's looking good. So neckline here. Okay, and we have another one here. So this is it. It has two necks. This particular trend has two necks. It's just the way the trade presents itself. So neck 1 was broken. Can you see? See from here uptrend, pull back. Okay, you continue to go. Neck 2 is still finding it very difficult to break neck 2. It hasn't broken neck 2. Still finding that very difficult to break this second neck. Okay, so if it breaks that second neck, then it's our way up. Way up. But aside from that, it's a downtrend. So let's check the lower time frame and see if we can trade this now. Don't forget, BTC is on an uptrend. Let me confirm that. What's the current state of BTC? BTC is still, we need BTC to pull back, but it's not doing that yet. It's just consolidating. Okay, just moving up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so let's go for 1 hour. Let's check. So it breaks neck 1, then this is the neck 2. So at this being, you've been trading this before now, then after this breakout, this pullback, then uptrend. Okay, so by now you will be in this trade. This will be your entry. Yes. So now we are waiting for this coin to break this neckline. Then when it breaks it, make sure you wait for pullback, please. Pullback, uptrend. So the pullback might not hit exactly this line. Okay, never mind. Might not exactly hit that line, but just manage it. Yeah. So looking at this. Yeah. So if it breaks this place, downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay. So I can see that most of all the altcoins, they are on a downtrend, but BTC is on uptrend. So eventually BTC might just reverse. Okay. So it was the next one. We have EOS. So CFX, you can take your screenshots. Okay. You can see everything is looking good. Uptrend, pullback, good entry, then it's coming back again. So we are looking at this place to go short. And that will be downtrend, pullback, downtrend. That will make you more money, I can assure you of that. So let's check EOS. Check the higher time frame. Okay, EOS has been pumping. Yeah, I was supposed to trade this coin yesterday, but I got carried away with BTC, so I didn't. I was prepared. I was ready. I was ready to trade this coin. Look at it. I was already marked it out, but it is what it is. So we have uptrend 1. This uptrend, that should be Tokyo session. Okay, we have this uptrend. It breaks, continue to go up. It breaks this line as well, this neckline. So let me remove this. Let me remove this as well. Okay, so this is the second neckline. It has already closed above the second neckline. Okay, so let's check. You can see that I'm analyzing this coin based on, yeah, I can assure you that this thing is going to be in profit. So 1 hour, it has already closed above. So wait for pullback to go uptrend. So this coin is still giving us uptrend vibes. Let's check the lower time frame, 15 minutes. Yes, you can see it's been doing well. Uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback. So what I'm about to tell you is that for this coin to continue to pump, it might not hit this pullback up here. It might be somewhere here. Then uptrend. Okay, you can even buy now. Uptrend, you can buy now and do dollar cost average. This year you can do dollar cost average for this coin. It's still uptrend. It hasn't given any final sign of reversal. Okay, so it's still uptrend. That's just it. It's still uptrend. Okay. There's something here. You need the coin to break somewhere here. Yeah, you need it to break that place. Yes, beautiful. Okay. So if there's a pullback, nice. But if there's no pullback, this coin is about to break this place, continue to the upside. So BTC will determine the momentum, how fast that will happen. So that's for US. Then the next one we have, you can do your HNT. Let's check HNT. Okay, so we have higher time frame. This coin has been dumping since. You see, it's been dumping. I guess maybe the coin has issues or something. This dump was as a result of when Binance announced that they want to deslist this coin. When they announced, that dump actually happened. So it's been trading, but it's still on the downtrend, as you can see. It's still trading down. It's still going down. It's still going down. I don't know how you want to cope with this, but if you still want to go down, no problem. Let's see. So I can see a pullback here, downtrend, pullback. That's downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay. So since it's going down, then you put another line here. It's still a downtrend. Okay. So let it break out, pull back, downtrend. That's it. That's how you trade it. Okay. Just wait for that breakout. This one is a downtrend. There's no doubt about it. So 1 hour time frame. Yeah, can you see? So wait for breakout, pull back, downtrend. Okay. So it's possible you trade to go long. It's better you go short because anything can happen. Yeah, the next one will be fail. Okay, so we have from here, can you see that breakout? That's breakout 1, breakout 2. Can you see breakout 2? Then this is not valid. So let's trade the reversal. Here we have the coin actually close above. Okay, so uptrend, pullback, uptrend. So this is uptrend. Let's go 1 hour time frame. Yeah, can you see that? Can you see that? So uptrend, pullback, uptrend. So we just wait for a little pullback, then you go up. Then 15-minute time frame. Yeah, can you see that? Okay. You know, normally you're supposed to have entered this trade by from here. That was supposed to have been your entry. But since you've not entered by now, because what I'm seeing now is that by the time this trade pull back to this level, I think it's going to be a downtrend. Yes, looking like a reversal pattern. It's already creating a reversal pattern. So let me see. Okay, so this is it. Use BTC to trade this coin. Okay, aside from that, just wait for downtrend. Wait for it to give you a reversal pattern. That will be more reliable. Okay, yeah. So let's check now. And this one just going down, 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 down. Okay, initially it has been pumping, so here, yes, it's a downtrend. You need the coin to break this downtrend. Yeah, you need it to break this downtrend, pull back. Okay. Okay, this should be let's say a downtrend, but if you have to go up and let it break this, yes, let it break that, So you can either go like this, downtrend, or uptrend. Okay, because of BTC. Mask. Let's check what's going on here. Okay, you can see an uptrend. On the 1 hour time frame, and something like double top. Okay, what I would advise, maybe just leave this coin for now, or you can trade it along with BTC if you have to. Okay, AGIX. I'd rather just leave the coin. Okay. Yeah, this is let's see. Yeah, just wait for breakouts. Okay, initially this was the neckline. Yeah, that was a good bounce from the neckline, but since you didn't trade that, you can see something like an head and shoulder. And that's it. This is another neckline. Yes. So the market has been rejecting that neckline, as you can see. So it's better. I'd rather come and trade the breakout to the downside. Yes, that's better for me. So that will be downtrend, pullback, downtrend. Okay. I'd rather the breakouts to the downside. The upside is not really reliable. Okay. So, and I want to trade something that I'm very sure of. I don't want to guess. Let's check 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So trading these breakouts will make a lot of sense. I can assure you of that. So here, 15 minutes. Okay. Market has been so dynamic. I think trading the breakout will make more sense. I'll put this here. Okay. So I'll wait for this pullback, downtrend. Okay. So downtrend for AGIX. Solana, that should be the last one. Okay. So here we have this. This is Solana. From here, you already have a breakout. Then they will come here. Okay, it has already broken to the upside. So we still have this. Okay. The neckline is not really well pronounced. But since we already have that breakout, let's do this. Okay, so if you have to go long, then you go up, pull back, uptrend, right? Aside from that, when you get here, target shorts. Okay, so I think the short position is more reliable for Solana short. So let's go 1 hour. So this is double bottom, then uptrend. So from here, okay, it can just get here, then pull back, right? Okay, so let's check for 15 minutes time frame. For 15 minutes, let's see. Yeah, it's been bouncing here, and which makes sense. Looks very clean. You can see it broke out to the neckline, broke out, right? So we have breakout, pull back, uptrend, right? Uptrend, pull back, uptrend. Yeah, so now it's already looking as if it's like a double top. You see, when you get here, then the mode has changed. Okay, it might either go like this, downtrend, pull back, downtrend. Okay, you see that? So watch out for this, but I would rather go short than to go long. Okay, and you can also see this place is rejecting here already. So looking at this, if you want to go long, but which I think is temporal, it's very temporal, and you can see that you can go up, pull back, uptrend then, but this down is already giving us a double top. This is the neckline. So we get here, pull back, downtrend. So Solana is also looking good. I think I will also trade it because it's giving a very clear direction. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. That will be it. And so in case this video you have issues or maybe it's very blurry, I'm going to upload this video on YouTube now, so you can now watch after I'm done uploading. I will share the link on the Telegram group so that you can have access to it. Okay, so guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next week on YouTube. That's on next week Tuesday on YouTube, but tomorrow we're going to be on our Telegram. Yeah, we're going to be on our Telegram tomorrow. Then let's see how it goes, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.